Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another plan with me. This one is in my Hobonichi, and this is for the week of July 1st through the 7th. This is a fun week. I am looking forward to it. I am actually off. I only have to work 2 days this week, so I'm really excited about that. And the 4th being July 4th, and then the 7th being my birthday. So yay! I'm excited about that as well. I'm using this cute, adorable kit from Peppermint Planner. It's a 2-page a la carte kit, and I will leave in the description down below where I did a haul on it. As you can see, I have already filled in the weather, so I used some of the weather icons. And unfortunately, there is 4 days of thunderstorm, one of them being the 4th, I think, and one of them being my birthday. So yay, fun me. Excited about that. Not. But other than that, you know, we have habit trackers Monday through Sundays, food icons. I'm really loving her kits. I used date covers from Craft Penguin Planners, but everything else so far is hers. So I'm using that. And then this was a freebie that I might use. It says Land of the Free, Home of the Brave, Happy 4th of July. So I'm thinking about using that. It was a freebie for the June 10th through the 11th, and I just think they're so cute. So love the characters, love the ice cream cones. So I am ready to get started. And this weekend banner, right on. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and put the days down, or the day covers down first. And I do not have my handy dandy tweezers. I took them into the other room, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I just don't feel like getting up and getting them. So I mean, like, full disclosure, honesty right here. You can't see, I'm not honest with y'all. So last week was a good week. Stayed on track with my diet. I am a little disappointed in the fact that the scale's not moving though. Though everybody seems to say what I think you want to hear, and that, oh, you look great, you're losing weight, you can tell you're losing weight. Yeah, whatever. I'm a numbers girl, and I have to see that the numbers go down, so for me to be happy. So it looks like, which I should have been doing all along, is incorporate some exercise into it. It's just really, guys, honestly, finding the time to do it is really hard for me, because I'm in at work at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I don't even leave my salon to go anywhere until I'm leaving that night, and that's usually about 7:30, quarter to 8 at night. So I used to get up and go work out at 5 o'clock in the morning. I just can't seem to get myself to do that now, so I don't know what's wrong with me, but hopefully I can do better. I'm gonna put the red, white, and blue in beautiful up here. I like that, especially since it's the week of the 4th. So I'm gonna just put that right there. Well, maybe a little bit more even, but see, this goes to show you that her stickers come up pretty nice. So red, white, and beautiful will be at the top. Love it. Perfect. Okay, and then going to use this down here. I was trying to decide whether I wanted to start using more of this down here instead of putting all the washi, but I kind of like the washi. Breaks it up, so I think I'm gonna stick with it. We might change it up a little bit, I don't know, but till I decide, we shall see. Let's pull this down just a little bit. Try not to pull my washi too much because it does bend up the pages a little bit, so I try to behave on that, but you know, don't always work. And then put the other washi down. Okay, cute. Look at that, so cute. Cute, cute, cute. And of course I did it on my other Plan With Me on my Erin Condren, but I got burnt. I forgot, I got suntan lotion or sunscreen on every part of me except for right here on my hand and right here. So evidently I totally missed that somehow. I don't know how I did that. We were swimming today, so, but go figure. Leave it to me to do something crazy like that. So I am going to use these. I got these from, I want to say Brianna Nicole Designz, maybe, but I will check and look and make sure, and I'll have it in the description below. But I like these little boxes and how they fit perfectly. Actually, I am going to run it across just a little bit just to be on the safe side. But these are so cute, and it gives me just a little bit of, maybe not, because I can't get them on there. I'm gonna put them right against this line, on the inside line. Oh, that fit perfectly. Perfectly. I couldn't even get it out of my mouth. Perfectly. And then I think I'm going to use one of these from Crafty Planners. I think these are the same length. We're getting ready to find out, so let's hope. Ugh, I can't keep anything in my fingers today. Let's just blame it on the sunburn. How's that? Did that get me by? Oh, that turned out really cute. Okay, yeah. Totally digging that. Totally digging that. Okay, so I got those from Crafty Planners. I really want to say Brianna Nicole Designz. I'm probably wrong, knowing me, but I will go back and look for you. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and put my weather down since I've already got those, and I'm gonna put them in these little cute boxes right here. So Monday is gonna be 93 here, low 71 and cloudy. Tuesday, of course, because I'm working, it is gonna be beautifully sunny and, come up, there we go. And 97 with a low of 74. So, gotta love that. Come on. There we go. Wednesday is 96, 73 with thunderstorms, and I don't know why I can't get these even, y'all. I am so sorry. I apologize. Thursday, happy 4th, is going to be 94 with, again, thunderstorms, low of 73. It's like I put them down, pull them back up. Okay. Then Friday is 93 and 72 with clouds, so at least I have one good day. Saturday is 93, 73 with thunderstorms. My whole weekend shot. That's nice. And then Sunday, my birthday, is 94 and 71. So I'm praying that these are just chances. But when I was looking it up to write them down, it was like 40% chance. So yeah, that's a pretty big chance. So that's okay. It's all good. I'm going to put the weekend banner down. I love this little weekend banner. It's so stinking cute. And I'm also going to put down, I'm going to do this in order. I'm going to put down the little cones, and this is for my breakfast, lunch, and dinners. I think these cones are so stinking adorable. They are cute. And I love the brightness of this. It's perfect for the 4th of July. I'm gonna try to use all patriotic looking kits for the whole month of July. Just because I get so many of them, because I fall in love with them, and then there's only 1 week in July that you can use them. So, you know, it's my planner, my rules, right? Right. So we can do whatever we want to. Put this one down. I'm gonna try to stay on track, even though it's the 4th and my birthday weekend. I'm gonna try not to mess myself up and eat something that I'm not supposed to eat. There's too many things that I can eat without messing up, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna have to put her down on the 4th. She's just too stinking cute. I just got to. So we'll put her down on the 4th, and then let's do the habit tracker. Right here. So put that habit tracker down. Then I've got this one right here. This is for my medicine, and I guess I'm gonna have to I'll use one of these right here. And I know she's got habit trackers, I'm pretty sure. She does. I'm gonna use this one. Right there. Right here, I'm going to put down, well, I'm not going to on Sunday. Yay me. I'm probably going to have to do this on Monday, and that is prep some. My sister-in-law is actually going to be staying with us, so she's got to have surgery, so I'll be definitely doing that on that day. Forgot to put I can put my medicine right here along here. And then the meal prep is from Cheerful Planner Girls. I do have a code for her. I'm going to order groceries probably on Monday instead of what my normal day is. So, or actually I'll probably order them on Tuesday. And so let's get those going. Tuesday, order groceries. Those down. Order groceries. Wednesday, we need to pick up the groceries. Order groceries from the Crafty Student, and pick up groceries is from the Crafty Student as well. Right there. And then I've got these water trackers. So I'm going to put one of them right here for my water. I had 2 of them set now. This is from Plan and Go. I do have a code for her. I got these from So Cute Planner, and I had to get one of these for the 4th of July. I just think they're cute too. So I'm going to, actually I can put one down here to celebrate my birthday with the fireworks. And then I'm going to use her right here for the 4th of July. Right there. Actually, I could have put her on a box. Let's do that. Let's pull her up. Put another box down. Let's see, what color do we have? We need dark. Let's put this one down right here and put her down for the 4th. She's so cute. Sorry, my son is in there playing his game. I've got these right here for my makeup, taking my makeup off. And those are from Cheerful Planner Girl. I'm gonna use the meal icon right above there. Or actually, I can do it. So so I don't mess that up. I'll put it right there. For my meals. Oh, this one says happy birthday. Heck yeah. I'm gonna put that one right there for me. Happy birthday to me. Which I don't know why I even say anything, because I usually don't say anything. I don't usually let people know. I am gonna put that this is trash day. I can do that. I don't usually do that, but. And I am off on the 4th, so I can do that right here. Right there. Give myself a goal, so I'm gonna put that one right here. And then those are from Plan to Be Fit. I have a code for, well, I don't have a code for them, but you can use my name. And get a freebie. I'll put these right here because I just think these are adorable and need to be used. And then I'm gonna put the to-do right here above that, because this is all the things that I need to do. Well, I don't want to cover up my beautiful, do I? But so I can come down just a little bit. Because this line right here is all my to-do stuff. And then this would be to buy. Right there. And then I can use I want to do it where I can, let's see. Come on. Just come down just a little bit. And that right there. And I think that will do it. This turned out really adorable. Awesome. And I love adorable. I even had some stuff left over so that if I want to add into here the rest of the week, I can do that. So I'm going to use her right here. And we got to use the pig. We got to use the pig. And we'll put the piggy right here on Saturday. I can write little, can't I? Actually, I can actually put a line right through there too, so if I wanted to. All right, guys, so that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this little plan with me, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell so you know when all my plan with me's, my hauls, and everything go up. I hope that y'all have a safe and blessed 4th of July, and come back and see me again real soon. All right, I will catch you later. Bye-bye.